It's our second day in Ooty today, and it's 8 a.m. here, still foggy outside and raining slightly. I hope the weather clears out soon because we want to do the Paikara tour today. We're going to go to the famous pine forests here. We're going to go to the Paikara boat house, the waterfalls and all the nearby places. So super excited for the day today. But first, breakfast. Reached our first destination of the day, the famous pine tree shooting spot in Ooty. This is actually one of the most touristy destinations in Ooty, as you can see around. However, it's also the perfect spot if you want to feel close to nature. It is nestled among these humongous, vast pine trees, and we were welcomed by a couple of monkeys just monkeying around. In fact, in and around Ooty, there have been over 200 movies that have been shot. Movies like Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. If you remember the Shimla summer camp in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, that was actually Ooty. The pine forest is not just about the pine trees. There's also this beautiful lake here. I'm not sure what the name of the lake is, but the views are just breathtaking. Now we've reached the Paikara Lake. Paikara is a village near Ooty that gets its name from the Paikara River. The river flows through a series of waterfalls which we are going to go to next. But here at the lake, there are a number of activities that you can opt for. There is speed boating, there's pedal boating and so much more. We are going to opt for the speed boat and let's see how it goes. We're just going to go hop into the speed boat now and let's see. We were considering whether we would want to do this or not, but as you can see, this experience is great. Do check out the speedboat. The views are great. This is so beautiful. There's so much wind here. I literally have like tears in my eyes. This is so fast. Towards the Paikara Falls, and it is about 10 minutes from the main road and a couple of minutes from the boathouse that we last visited. So the Paikara River cascades through a series of falls, the last two of which are around 55 meters and 61 meters, clubbed together called the Paikara Falls. This is Wenlock Downs, another one of Ooty's cinematic shooting locations. A lot of films, including Raja Hindustani, were shot here. In fact, Bollywood often passes off this place as Switzerland. Ooty definitely is the Queen of Hills, and here is why. We completed the Paikara Trail today, and all of the places that we visited, like the Pine Forest, the Paikara Boat House, the Paikara Falls, the cinematic shooting locations, they're actually very close to each other. And if you're coming to Ooty, what I would recommend is that you you keep this trail for your first day here, you can definitely complete all of these places in 4 to 5 hours at max. So in half a day you'll be done with all of these amazing locations. What we are going to do next is we are going to spend some time here, take some rest here at Wenlock Downs, chill out a little bit, and we will catch you again next day.